Hello, today we are going to learn common mistakes in CapCut and see how to do it right. Before the video, I have a nice announcement for you. We have set up a Discord training server. On this server, we will give you free training videos. There is more on this server. On this server, we can give you personal development, weekly discipline, life lesson, and motivation, and many more things. Our server will be open until the end of 2024. In 2025, our server will stop giving free training and our server will be closed. If you want to join our server, you can click and look at the description of the video, or you can enter the profile of our channel and click on the link. Let's move on to our topic immediately. Our first mistake is one of the most well-known. A person comes and wants to rotate this sun. He adds sparkles to the sun to make it more attractive. But of course, this guy has a big mistake. He completes the sun and makes everything into a composite clip and rotates the sun, and he immediately realizes his mistake. Now let's solve this mistake. Delete all the sun sparkles except one. Now let's make it a composite clip, and you can see that it rotates very smoothly, as you can see. Now you can copy them like me and align the angle. Once you have done that, we can make them all composite clips and rotate them. As you can see, it rotates smoothly. Our second mistake is the mistake made in the design. If you are going to make a moving animation, you need to draw the design at the center point. For example, I want to rotate it straight. I need to draw it at the center point. If I draw it somewhere else at the center point, the circle will start rotating around the center point. Another one is, for example, I will go left according to the X position. But when I move this design to another place towards the center point, it will be on the other side of the center. Our third mistake is keyframing. Let's draw a circle and a helper, then move this ball so that it doesn't leave the helper lines. Let's check our animation. They moved at a very mixed speed. Yes, this is one of the biggest mistakes. If you mix keyframe seconds while animating, there will be no animation. The seconds you put are important. If I do it randomly, it will be a complex animation. Our fourth mistake is usually made when editing keyframes. Let's open the keyframe and you can immediately see that the x-axis only goes up. But what's the problem here? The problem is that if you encounter something like this, you don't need to adjust the keyframe. Some make all keyframes auto-curve. This is wrong, but if you encounter a keyframe like a triangle, you can auto-curve them all. I hope you won't make these 4 mistakes again. If you haven't, I hope it has made a contribution to you. I would also appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Click on the video you see on the screen to watch the next video.